Okay, good morning everyone. This is Zach here from XIFU. Okay, do let me know is my sound and screen coming okay? Right. If you are here with me, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons, help me to share this out, and we'll start our section this morning. So again, this section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. Quick disclaimer: we are not doing any buy and sell call. Just want to give you updates overall of the markets. Again, if you want to trade any stocks based on discussion this morning over here, make sure your own trading plan. If not, get advice from the professional. Okay, now finally, markets do a technical rebound. I think like last Thursday, it started to do technical rebounds already. Friday, a bit quiet mostly. And today looks like there's a continuation, which is so far, I think it's been great. Okay, now, for me, I will still remain the same. I think that good to remain looking for shorter opportunity. Like for me right now, is I'm looking for technical rebound trades. Okay, I'm not going to buy and hold for weeks or months. Okay, so if let's say it hit my so-called immediate resistance, then I just probably going to do a little bit of quick profits over there. Okay, now if you look into FBM KLCI, like I say, is not great at all. Okay, but because due to the sharp drop over here, we do expect immediate take a rebound. Okay, sometimes in this kind of market, this is what happened. So, okay, one good thing is that, of course, today we still haven't closed yet, but right now at 9:30 in Bursa market over here. So far, it do close the latest gap. Okay, let me just zoom in so you can see better. This is FBN KLCI chart. So, again, a sharp drop, normally we'll have technical rebound. Okay, which is pretty normal, but don't get overly excited that everything is at bottom. You just entered everything that you have. Okay, so I think it's good to enter because now I know all people say that those fundamental stocks right now is in a very good value. Okay, but you can actually try to do a few type of entry count strategy. Okay, you need to, like, for example, the 10K, you enter everything at this price. Okay, so probably can split. Okay, 5K 333 or 334. Okay, something like that. So okay, now one good thing is that KLSE now actually cover the gaps so far. Okay, we still haven't seen the closing yet. Okay, today gap up also nice. So the next one, it will be somewhere around this gap over here. So like I said last week, I think this gap should not be an issue for them to close. For me, the real challenge right now is still at 1550 area. Okay, still at 1550 area. So this will going to be the main resistance for me, because previously here actually tested a few rounds, okay, before it actually dropped. 2 rounds, okay, to be exact, okay, before it dropped below this support. Okay, so my guess is that probably this few days is going to retest again somewhere around this area, okay, before they're going to retest support once again. But we're going to see how it actually react to this resistance area. Hopefully they will cross back and continue to challenge 1600. Okay, so let's say still below 160, I will still think that this kind of market is good. Like, it's good for technical rebounding. It's not for you to probably buy, sell, and hold for months to come. Okay, so this is all IBM KLCI. At least we do see technical rebounds coming rather than last 2-3 weeks ago. Okay, we got nothing at all. Okay, at least today mostly it's in green, only plantation. Okay, plantation also turned to green. Okay, all is green. Okay, so for me, I will still remain the same. I will focus a little bit on tech. Okay, this morning just entered my Inari. Grad Tech somehow missed it, but let's see whether towards the lunchtime it do pull back a little bit or not using hourly chart. If yes, probably I will try a little bit on Grad Tech. Okay, now do let me know any counters that are looking into right now. Okay, probably we can do a little study. Today everything green. Okay, today everything. Hey, G-Tronic also coming. Or FMCB also coming already. Hey, G-Tronic not bad. Okay, G-Tronic at least belum jalan because Grad Tech this morning actually I want to enter, but it gave up. I think when I saw the price is almost 5% already, 4 point something percent. So that's why I don't want it to chase. Okay, but looks like sorry, this is DNext. Okay, this is DNext. Looks like DNext belum lagi lah. How many percent? This is 1%, 2%. Okay, this is almost, sorry, this is 5%, 5.1%. Oh, because this is 30 cents counters. But looks like still can jalan. Looks like belum really jalan this counter here. Okay, yeah, I kind of like it. Oh, volume is good. Okay, this first trading hour, volume is good. Okay. All right. I'm not sure, but 30 cent looks like pretty good. Let's see. Let me just write down first. Like I said, it's a good week to do technical rebound. So I also don't plan to enter a lot. This one just Inari. But DNAC looks good. Okay, definitely looks good. I think 30 cents should be quite nice area to focus. Okay, now let's look into YTL. If you got any other counters that you want me to look into, okay, just let me know. Okay, then from there we slowly find other counters. Okay, I will look into GradTech again because actually I also looking for my entry opportunity. Okay, right now my strategy is like that. Okay, I will look into daily chart. Okay, combined with hourly chart because uh, everything dropped from 3-4 weeks ago. Last week we have been like this since before CNY So right now I think it's a good way to look for technical rebound, and one way is that we want to check both daily chart and the hourly chart. So daily chart wise, I want to see at least they actually come with certain volume on reversal. Hourly wise, we look for a reversal with pullback. Okay, so this is my current plan and strategy. So okay, now for example, over here, YTR, at least they break the so-called the daily downtrend line. Okay, break somewhere around here. Okay, hopefully you can see my screen is a bit small. If let's say too small already, just let me know so I can switch back to one screen. Okay, I can switch back to one screen so you can see better. Okay, so this is something like downtrend. Okay, downtrend, then they cross. Okay, volume is not great to be frank with YTL. So I don't expect them to shoot up to 280 cents. Okay, I don't expect them to happen. Okay, because of the slightly weak volume, but against technical rebound, yes. Okay, next one probably will be around 2.10, but very close. Okay, so if I want to if I want to trade for YTL, okay, but actually last Friday is a good one over here. Okay, some pullback is happening somewhere around here. Maybe next one will be somewhere around here, 1.95. Okay, who knows, later afternoon it will like test around 2 ringgit area again, then goes to 2.1 and above. Okay, so I'm looking for this kind of patterns right now. So daily chart doing some sort of reversal, hourly chart, some pullback happens in betweens. So okay, now let's into GradTech. GradTech I feel still boleh lah. Maybe later I try lah. Okay, now this is what I mean. You see the so-called the daily chart over here. Okay, actually they kind of like break the downtrend line. Okay, volume increasing. Okay, again, it's a good sign. Normally on reversal, we want to see high volume. Okay, high volume reversal. It representing that there's chance. Okay, for them to change a little trend here. So okay, now this is what it means. Pullback 1, 2. Okay, today another pullback completes in our chart. Now, if I'm looking for EP level, okay, of course my style is a bit kiasu style one. So my style is 1.55 no need to be exact 1.55 A bit, slightly a bit also okay 1.57 1.56 pun boleh. Okay, so I was actually looking into 1.57. Okay, to look for my chance for entry opportunity, probably this range. So maybe I will check it out again. Okay, towards the afternoon, because right now fly a little bit lah. This is 4.5% already. Actually, still boleh lah. I'm thinking maybe they can hit the 1.8. Okay, but let's see how it goes. I just enter Inari lah, because just now I checked or I saw GradTech mostly is moving already. So I quickly see Inari. Inari belum jalan at the time. So morning I entered Inari. Okay, Inari also. But Inari volume still haven't come in yet. Still GradTech is quite good. But later I see how. Okay, now let's look into MYAG. Okay, MYAG. Let's see the daily chart. Okay, daily chart so far slightly a bit. Coming already also. Let's try out the chart also. Short-term trend looks good lah. Okay, then I switch to one screen. A bit difficult to see also. Okay, for MYAG, wow, this stock damn tricky lah. But feel like the insider buying slowly coming already. Okay, let's see any insider buying. Okay, this counted a lot. By who? This is KWSP. Okay, mostly KWSP lah. So okay, now if I look into these counters, looks like something is coming. A wash over here. Okay, this is a gap. Okay, the reason why I look into a longer time frame for MYEG, because I don't think this counter is suitable for short-term reversal, because they actually didn't really drop a lot in this kind of so-called weak and bear market. For me, overall, they're still holding down in a nice reaccumulation. Well, looks like, okay, this one previously is a shakeout. They push, drop, looks like a nice shakeout again. So if let's say the price moving forward, they can stay above 95 cents. I think this one is good. Yeah, I think this one is good. Okay, I'm using this one is weekly. Yeah, okay. Okay, right now I don't think short term got momentum yet, but looks like this one is good for mid to long term. Okay, a nice so-called reaccumulation happening somewhere around here. So let's say they're able to stay 95 cent above, okay, MYG I think is a good counter to watch out for. Actually quite nice also. Big gap to cross 1.2. Okay, later see how lah. Maybe I also can enter some for MYEG. Okay, looks like recently keep doing a shakeout here. Okay, now let's try Unique. Unique haven't checked for some times. Okay, doing a shakeout as well. Overall still uptrend, okay, but trend definitely looks like weakening. We have a resistance over here. Drop below support, drop below trend line, but below volume. Okay, drop below this trend line, but with low volume. Wait, okay, not a very heavy volume. Overall, it's not that. But the up bars currently is not coming high volume also. Okay, now recall bull run. If you want to trade this, I'm not sure. You're looking for entry exit for Unique. I believe it's for entry purpose, right? So let's say entry purpose. Okay, overall they're still in uptrend, but right now I believe they are doing a shakeout because of the average to low volume when the price actually dropped below the trend line here. Okay, so do expect some sideways movement. Okay, somewhere around here. If you ask me, the strong support, I think they should hold somewhere. Oh yeah, here, this area here. This is 34 cents because previously we got gaps. Okay, it looks like there's like a shakeout zone over here and also some tests, okay, around this area over here, 34 cents. Okay, stay above 34 cents, I think it's good, but drop below, yeah, the price probably will sideways for some times. Okay, for Unique. So try, if let's say can try to enter around 35 cents area, I think it's good for Unique. Overall, it's not bad, but just that looks like they are ready to go into a period of reaccumulation. Okay, but make sense also, this counter have been uptrend for some times already. So probably will like doing a reaccumulation. Sometimes they'll do reaccumulation with VCP also. Okay, for example, like this. Okay, like this, or maybe a smaller wave later on. So this process, it will take 1 year or 1 year plus sometimes. Okay, let's into ceiling. Rico very active today. Want to enter a lot of counters already. Okay, so ceiling. Okay, gap down. Okay, gap down, not good. Okay, gap down for me. Gap down is not good. I don't like gap down, especially with increasing volume. Okay, again recently up with low volume. Okay, up with low volume. So focus technical rebound. Don't focus buy, hold for a few months. Okay. So okay, again, if you ask me, I think yes, potentially they might have technical rebound. Let's check out this chart now. Got any sub or not? Okay, slowly they cross 2040s right now. Okay, maybe a technical rebound happens. Okay, first M for short terms, 22 cents. Next one is around this gap over here, 25 cents. Okay, if you want to aim for short term. But buy and hold one, I think currently is not that a good strategy yet. Okay, because again, market dropped badly before CN until right now. Okay, it's not in a very good conditions. So a lot of stocks actually they are dropped pretty far away from 20 and 40-day moving average. Okay, so once they drop far away with some volume or buy volume, like for example over here some spike, sometimes they will like this. Okay, it's pretty normal. So we are trying to catch this. So, but if let's say it hits certain resistance, most of the time they will drop back to support again. Okay, so watch out on 25 cents area. Make sure don't have any like shooting star or maybe goes up, reject again, drop back. Okay, type of candle and high volume. Okay, normally if let's say got this kind of volume, which means solid is still in the markets. Okay, TTVHB also I think run quite a lot. That's why today I don't want to focus anymore. Okay, high biscuit. Okay, not too bad. You see nowadays nowadays I got volume over here one. So this is a good chance, okay, for us to look for technical rebound. Okay, so let's say price drop, but of course when the price started to drop below support, high volume is normal. But when the stocks is in the trend, average volume, we know there's a continuation. But if let's say got this kind of high volume, okay, we can look for some so-called some changes, okay, in terms of the patterns and trend here. So hibiscus is one of them. Okay, call point. Okay, let's try. Call point no volume one, I notice. Okay, call point no volume one. Normally I prefer look for a little bit of volume. Okay, normally I like to see some volume. Okay, JF tag. JF tag back to pure support. Okay, this one back to pure support, still looks good. Ecover. Okay, Ecover got strength signal again. MFCB, let's try MFCB. MFCB also got some volume from here. Okay, Notion. Okay, let's try Notion. Okay. Holding. Okay, this one is very similar to Ecover. It didn't drop badly actually. SNS. Okay, SNS. This one got some volume spike up. Notice here. Okay, I think so. SMS okay. The next resistance, previous resistance around 50 cents area. Okay, this one good to watch also, but very close already. Singkong. Okay, Singkong no volume is okay. I think the other one just now is Salutica, right? Where is it? Okay, this one also not much volume. Capnets. Okay, let me check any others. Strength signal coming in or not from my alerts here. Okay, front can. Front can looks like a shakeout here. CHHB. Okay, this one illiquid. I thought just I saw cabinets, right? Okay, do let me know any other counters you want me to look into. You can type below there. Okay, just want to check any stocks that personally I'm also looking for entry opportunity lah. If not, I just check my seafood alerts here also. See got any stocks that I can focus on for today. OFI, CHHB, Hexstar Retail. Okay, never mind. I check your stock first. Later I come back again. Okay, next gram. Next gram I think it's a penny stock, right? Wow, recall you trade this kind of counters one. Okay, this one remind me of XOX. Pump and dump counters. Okay, waiting for their so-called timing. But right now no setup. But to be frank, I hope I get the right counters. Is it next gram? Okay, I believe so. But this counter, to be frank with you, apart from dump star, I didn't really have much to comment. Normally, this kind of counter is buy and wait, unless you wait for a volume to come in. If let's say you want to look for momentum. Okay, right now, I don't see a good setups from here. Okay, now let's look into RGB. Okay, RGB, yeah, I think last week also we did talk about RGB, right? Am I right, Joel? Okay, so obviously these Sonic, I think the wrong counters are. Oh, next G. Okay, sorry. Okay, yeah, these Sonic changed name already. I forgot. Okay, I'll go back to RGB later on. Aha, this one also you can notice the volume is very heavy, right, at the bottom. So this one I think got chance to do reversal. Okay, good one. At least I D next and next G. D Sonic previously D Sonic. Okay, this one also looks pretty good. This one haven't showed the reversal yet, but I noticed the volume at 2.5, 0.25 is pretty good already. Okay, again, not doing any buy and sell call. Anything still right now still for me still risky if you want to enter or all in currently your capital. Okay, so I entered this morning in RE, but I don't really enter a lot. Like for example, if my usual per trade is around 10K, right now I just half okay, 5K, 6K like that per trade so yeah you all just decide. I'm not sure how's your size normally. If let's say you all more, okay, probably you can actually consider. Okay, but of course, if let's say your per trade is 1-2K, sometimes doesn't make sense that you do half because your commission also need to consider, right? Okay, so next time okay for me, got volume, but yeah, maybe can aim somewhere around here also pretty good. 30 over cents, just above 32 cents. Okay, can consider for this one. Maybe enter a bit to try out. Okay, let's try RGB. Okay, RGB, okay, looks like they are holding well around this support level at the 33.5 cents. Okay, 33.5 cents area. Okay, now towards the 40 cents. Okay, actually, for RGB, right, if let's say you're looking for mid to long term, I think still good. Okay, still good. But short terms, no much of a setup yet. Okay, last week, okay, on weekly chart, they actually formed a hammer. Okay, again, representing the support still good at this moment. But short-term trend is not there yet. Okay, because these two candles right on weekly chart actually come with some high volume on down bar. Okay, and the spread is pretty wide for this candle. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, the spread is pretty wide for on 24th Feb. The candles right is pretty wide, so representing the selling at resistance is pretty strong. So I suspect, or maybe my guess is that this counter probably still will range, okay, for another few weeks or maybe 1-2 months time frame, okay, until they test the support for several times, or maybe they do this kind of wash, okay, a hammer like this. I think probably will happen. Okay, but mid to long term, I think RGB still the setup is still good at this moment here. Okay. All right. Any other counters before we end our sections? Okay. So far, we only can spot D next. Okay. The rest challenge a bit already. I skip unless you want to chase. Okay. If not, I just probably will look into D next G. Okay. Not too bad for D Sonic. Grad Tech. Okay. Later on, I will see. During the lunchtime, whether got a bit of so-called retracement a bit or not. If yes, probably I'll look for entry as well. Okay, SCGBHD. Okay, this is on weekly time frame. Weekly time frame from a hammer last week. Wow, last week lots of shakeout also. Lots of chuchi also. So daily chart. Okay, 1.3 maybe can aim. All right. XIFU. Okay, wow, XIFU so fast also. Coming back already. Let's see hourly chart. Okay, welcome Joel. This one got reversal with pullbacks already. Okay. This one also we see whether afternoon, okay, it got pullbacks or not. Okay, afternoon got pullbacks or not. Okay, last three YTL Power and IFCA MFC YTL, lots of YTL Power fans apa jadi? Okay, suddenly my chat is not working. Okay, we are back. Okay, now YTL dulu lah. So YTL luckily they are still at this support level. Belum break yet. Okay, belum break yet. Okay. Now, again, I think just now we already go through already. Okay, YTL. First, focus short-term trend first. Okay. So here, short-term downtrend, they cross. Okay, now today, crossing on 20 MA so far. Okay, I think yes, a short-term technical rebound will happen. Okay, short-term technical, which is now they are doing right now. So, but again, if you want to focus long-term one, okay, if you are looking for short-term momentum right now, is they are having the kind of pattern, I think it's good. But if you are looking to buy and hold one, again, careful on this support. This is how much? This is 1.75 area. 1.75 area. Break this level, I think it's not good. Okay. But if I look into overall setup right now, I still think that they are in a weaker trend. They are still in a weaker trend directions. Okay, which is the bearish directions. Okay, the few reasons why I say so is that first of all, okay, here still got high volume, drop with high volume. Okay, even though now looks like they bounce from support, right? But looks like the volume on up bar is not strong. Okay, so which means that maybe the buy is still pretty weak. So yes, it's a week of technical rebound. Most is up. Okay, but doesn't mean that they will straight away come to here. Okay, so if let's say you want to focus short term at this moment, I think still yes. Watch out 1.75 area. Okay, if let's say break below here, yeah, it will go into the phase of downtrend for YTL. Okay, now let's look into YTL power. Okay, same. 3 ringgits is the so-called main support, slightly below 3 ringgit. Okay, I think 3 ringgit. Focus on 3 ringgit. Is the main support. They also kind of like bounce from the support area. And of course, the short-term downtrend line. Okay, so here is my short-term downtrend line. Okay, so this line. Okay, so again, focus short-term. Okay, maybe the next support area, let's try. Should be here, 3.5. Okay, 3.48. Okay, to 3.5. Next one will be here, 3.8. Okay, 3 So focus on short term first for what their power. And if you really plan to buy and hold type one, 3 ringgit. Okay, so because if let's say it break this support, it's not going to look good anymore for YTL. Okay, again, my view a little bit same with YTL is that because this drop, right, actually come with high volume or something that usually I don't like. Okay, for example, you notice drop with high volume one. Okay, not to say all. Okay, not to say all. You can notice here drop with high volume one. Normally, it telling you that the selling pressure is still there. Unless we can see there's up bar with volume coming in back again, then okay, we will slowly check the support. Okay, where it is. Okay, that is YTL power. Let's go for the last one, IFCA MFC, before we end our section. Okay. Not so good also, but technical rebound, yes. Okay, to answer Rico. Okay, now this one is actually a bit similar YTL power. Not to say similar, but something very similar. Okay, for example, period support, break. Okay, then they'll go through another phase again. Okay, so the period support at 50 cents will serve you as your current resistance. Okay, so not sure you're looking for entry exit. If you're looking for entry, yes, probably can aim around 50 cents area. Okay, but trend wise, on the weaker side. Okay, because here drop with high volume, here up don't have volume. Okay, here up don't have volume. So yeah, don't focus on buy and hold first. Okay, for FIMC. Okay, so with this, once again, thank you for joining me this morning. Hopefully, market continue to remain good. Okay, throughout this month at least. Okay, throughout this month. So my view is still the same. Over KRC still in the weaker side. Okay, this view of this hopefully 1 or 2 weeks of technical rebound will give us more opportunity. With this, once again, thank you for joining me. Join my Telegram also. Okay, if you want to have more discussion on daily basis. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Not tomorrow, Wednesday. Okay, tomorrow is probably holiday. Thank you, everyone.